Through thick and thin. Through thick and thin means, under all circumstances, no matter how difficult. Let's learn how to use this idiom in our daily life. He remained loyal to me through thick and thin. I shall stick it out here with you, through thick and thin. I'm so grateful to James, he supported me through thick and thin. All the rage. All the rage means, when something is the height of popularity. To be very popular at a particular time. Let's learn how to use this idiom. These bell-bottom pants were all the rage in the 1960s. I was a teenager at the time when platform shoes were all the rage. Long hair for men was all the rage in the 80s. Out of the question. Out of the question means, completely impossible or unacceptable. Let's learn how to use this idiom in our daily life. Asking my father for money was completely out of the question. A trip to London is out of the question this year. I'm sorry, but having a party here is absolutely out of the question. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to get started. Let's learn how to use this idiom. Let's get the ball rolling on this project. We've only got 1 week to finish it. I think it will be easier to become comfortable driving now that I've gotten the ball rolling with driving lessons. If we don't get the ball rolling on our vacation plans soon, we'll end up going nowhere. Jump the gun. Jump the gun means to start something before it is permissible, appropriate, or advisable. Let's learn how to use this idiom in our daily life. They only met 3 weeks ago, isn't it jumping the gun to start talking about marriage? I probably jumped the gun with announcing our engagement before everyone was there, but I was just too excited. Some booksellers have jumped the gun and decided to sell it early. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it then subscribe it. If you love it then share it.